I'm gonna let the phone fully boot up to show you that it's not got a ROM on it. And I have Vampire Foes Recovery and an RFS file system. This should just go to show you how slow a stock phone is with RFS. Come on! So much lag. There you go. No wiping, no nothing. No nothing, it's like double negatives, ain't it? First reboot with a new ROM. Here we are 11 minutes into the video, and it stayed at that screen for a long time. Ooh, I like the little animations, that's awesome. I think most of y'all know me right now. I'm not too big on changing all that up there. It's just not something I do. If y'all don't know, I'm on Twitter and I post quite a bit. Alright, so far it's kind of slow, but maybe it just needs to be rebooted. And let's see if they included Clockwork Recovery on here. Oh man, I can't tell you how awesome some of these animations are. No, he didn't change the recovery. Vampire Foe had an issue with that a while back where he was gonna repost the ROM with his recovery in it, and that didn't settle too well in the Android community. And this time he left it alone, and whatever recovery you had on there before you flashed this is what you get to keep. So I guess props to Dodge JCR and all the other people that developed this. I'm gonna put Clockwork Recovery on there anyway so I can have ext4 really easily instead of doing the whole ext4 command and formatting their system. I cannot get to settings. What gives? Okay, whatever. No root. Titanium Backup's not saying there's root. Okay, even after a reboot, I still cannot get Titanium Backup to work. It just sits at this screen. So here's what I'm going to do. Vampire Foe's newest kernel. I guess the boot animation wasn't set to go this long. I'm going to go bone stock and try this again. I wonder if it'll let me get into the settings now. I was going to show you the about phone, but it won't let me. Vampire Foe's 209 low voltage kernel worked. Now I can run a batch. And I go all the way down and go uninstall all user and system apps. And then I can go deselect all, select the ones I want like Zeem and UD forums and fancy widget and all this stuff I don't want. I can just hit run batch operation. and it'll start deleting each one of them like that. I will have a full review of the newest Titanium Backup Pro, which is simply amazing, and I don't see how anybody that uses Android can go without buying the Pro version. It is amazing. I will be working on that video soon. I want it to be perfect, and I want to touch every point that needs to be touched, and I want to do this video review right. I want to get it all down pat, and I want to make Matrix Rider just extremely proud of his work. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out. Tell me that this is not the coolest thing since the Xbox 360 came out. These are 24-ounce bottles. This is a 1.5 liter, and it is awesome. It's only $1. That's gonna go on my truck whenever I get a new slave cylinder.